In front of me is UMIDIGI A3, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, then go to contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, and click on edit icon. Now mark camera, and you can either take a photo if someone is sitting right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. Let me pick choose photo, and pick device folders, for example. Let me apply some random picture of mine. You can crop it then, so we can give here, for example, this A3, tap on done then, and select save. As you can see from now on, once this contact Lynn will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. It will be displayed. So this is it. This is how you can add photo to a contact in your UMIDIGI A3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.